Hi, this is our fraction x squared add 1 over x add 1 times x minus 1. But first, this is an improper fraction, and we need to convert this to partial fractions. But first, we need to simplify this, and so we can write that x squared add 1 over x add 1 x minus 1 is equivalent to, first we have x squared add 1. If we clear the brackets in the denominator, we have x squared minus x add x minus 1, which is equivalent to x squared add 1 over x squared minus 1. Now further to this, if we divide x squared add 1 by x squared minus 1, if you do that, we'll have a remainder of 2, and so x squared minus 1 into x squared add 1 is 1, with a remainder of 2, and our denominator, what we were dividing by, is x squared minus 1. Please check this to satisfy yourself. So we can write this now equivalent to 1, and we apply partial fractions to 2 over x squared minus 1. We have 1 over x minus 1 minus 1 over x add 1. Let's make sure you can see this. And now we can write that the integral of this is the same as the integral of 1 add 1 over x minus 1 minus 1 over x add 1 dx, which is equal to, integrate x, 1, we have x, we have ln x minus 1 minus ln x add 1 and the constant of integration. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair.